Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter pairing mode on Razer Kaira Pro. To do this, first we'll need to power on our headset, and then if they don't enter pairing mode automatically, there's a Bluetooth button on the right headset. Click and hold it for a few seconds. You will hear the beep sound. Now we can refresh the list of available devices. As you can see, they are not here, so that means we need to press and hold that same button again. Again, a beep sound. Now we can refresh the list, and our headset is right here. We can pair with it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.